Okay, so today we're doing the 2023 Problem 23 AMC 8. So let's get started. Every square in a 3x3 grid is randomly filled with one of the four gray and white tiles shown below on the right. So we have this tile, this tile, this tile, and there's a grid of 9 squares. Okay, let's just remember this. What is the probability that the tiling will contain a large gray diamond in one of the 2 times 2 squares? Below is an example. So as you can see, the diamond is right here, and the rest can be whatever they want. Okay, so, and just you should know, you have to read the question very carefully because it says probability. So you're not counting the amount of ways. You're looking for the probability. So I cannot state this enough. You want to look for probability. Sometimes you'll want to look for counting, but this time you want to look for probability. Probability is everyone. You should know that probability is success. Here, success over total, and the success is when this happens. So first, let's count how many ways there are to have a big diamond in here. So here's one, and then and then here's two. Here's the second one. I already erased the one because they get in the way of each other. Here's three. I kind of messed up, but it doesn't matter. Here's four. Yeah. So there's 4 diamonds that are possible. You can't really tell, but I'm just gonna stick to example one. Okay. So you want to do it like this. Here we go. Color them in. Okay, so we know that the success has 4 possibilities times, and then we want to have the total. We know the total is, wait, let me do something first. So it's 4 times blank over, okay, so 4 times blank. I can't really have a blank because it looks too much like a fraction. So I'm just going to leave them empty for now. If there are 9 squares, you have 4 for this one, 4 for this one, 4 for this one. So there are 4 options, and they can be repeated. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and guess what this one is? Oh my god, it's 4! Did you know that? So count the 4s, you have 9 4s, right? So let me delete all of them. You have 4 to the 9th power here. And before you even find out what this thing is, you want to do a bit of canceling. And then you get here, the 4 vanishes, leaving a 1. And you don't have to write a 1, so you just have a blank over 4 to that. And then 9 minus 1. Since here's a small trick for exponents. I think most of you already know this, but if you don't, fractions are basically division, so this works for fraction. That's why. 4 to the 9th, it's equal to 4 to the 1 minus 9. Or, since this is negative, you have 1 over 4 to the 9 minus 1. Yeah, you can do something like that. This also works for multiplication and adding, but we're not doing that right now. So yeah, let's keep it like this. We have blank over 9, 4 to the 9 minus 1, and let's just call this a 8. Okay, an 8. And since 8, blank. So we already know, let's stick to an example. We already have a 4, so we only need to make 1 diamond, and because we don't need to count the 4 again since we already counted it and subtracted. Anyways, so first here you have this square which has 4 options. 4 options. 4 options. 4 options. 4 options. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 options. So 4 to the 5th, which is, so this is 4 to the 5th over 4 to the 8th. And we can use that trick again, you have 4 to the 5th, 5 minus 8, or you have 1 over 4 to the 8 minus 5, which is equal to 1 over 64. You can just do the calculations yourself. It's not that hard, but the answer is C. Don't forget to like and subscribe.